I am what you would call an ex-Apple fanboy, but I really do prefer using Apple products, as you can see the props in the background. In my video that is currently the most popular one on the channel, that's basically me talking about how I use this Samsung Galaxy tablet to replace my iPad mini, I said I prefer Android tablets over the iPad tablets. In the same video, I said that I prefer these phones, the iPhones, over the Android phones, but I never really explained, and I think I should explain why I prefer the iPhones over the Androids, and I will explain why I'm leaving the Apple trash devices for the absolute treasure known as the Android devices. A big fear of mine, I guess, would be is being the social outcast. When you're in a chat room and you have all blue bubbles, but then you add that one friend who has an Android, and then your blue bubbles go into the green bubble, everybody will clown on you. It might be funny, but social aspects, whenever it comes to being clowned on 24/7, can drive some people into madness. The next fear is the sunk cost fallacy, but I have been slowly getting away from that. I used to have everything Apple, including their earphones and their tablets, but as you can see, I am slowly getting away from their earphones, and I have pretty much dedicated my entire, study time to this tablet because I really do love Android tablets. I got out of that mindset because with the current prices going up with Apple devices other than their phones are going to be the next thing that increase in their prices. Yes, I understand there's a lot of external factors into play on why prices are going up, but still, when prices go up, do you know who it hurts? You and me, the consumer. The third thing that I was scared of is using a brand new device and trying to learn new things. That is a big hurdle for a lot of people to overcome, especially me, but a lot of phones are becoming like Apple devices. So basically, I can have a really good priced phone, like this one, have Apple features, and have some tech features that are way better than Apple. This one, I believe, has a 120 hertz display, and that is very good. I mean, look at this. This looks beautiful. Even when I'm swiping, it just looks so good. Apple could never. Apple could never until like a year ago. I think like last year, the iPhone 17 base model. No, was it the Pro and Pro Max model? The one that I'm using to record right now got like a 90 hertz display. The iPhone 17e, the one I'm holding up right now, actually only has a 60 hertz display, so that's a little saddening. But even used Apple devices are just way too much money whenever I can get an Android device that is way more affordable and it gives me more value. That's the reason why I am slowly going towards Android, is because of today's economy. I really want to be able to afford great phones, and Apple is not affordable and it no longer has great phones. Some people may say Apple never had great phones, but they're just straight up haters and don't listen to them 99% of the time. I say 99% of the time because one time in their life they'll make a really good example on hating Apple all the time. But remember, being a straight hater never converts people from Apple to Android devices. Trust me, I was in the era where everybody was clowning on Apple devices, and I'm like, yo, guess what? I'm just going to use an Apple device because I don't care, and you're not helping me at all. So overall, I didn't explain it too well, but because of Apple being way too overpriced, Apple raising their prices, Apple making me afraid of going out of their Apple ecosystem, I have been staying with the iPhones for a very long time. I am slowly leaving from Apple's influences by buying things over time that are going to be very useful for me. So sooner or later, I will eventually make an Android device my main device because it's bound to happen sooner or later. I think my problem is I have yet to find the perfect device, and I need to find the perfect device for me to actually switch over and use that one as my main device. If you have any suggestions on what phone I should get to try out and actually see if I want to switch over to that being my main device, let me know in the comment section down below those type of phones that I need to buy. And remember, it should be Android based. And if you did end up liking this video, please give me a like and subscribe to see more content that is technology based.